Say hello to everybody on YouTube.
What's happening, YouTube? Welcome to GTR World Cup. Sonic C6 speaking. Go ahead, hit my channel up. Sorry, Omar, you know I gotta plug my shit.
Do your thing. Do your thing.
But yeah, we're gonna have a good time. I think we just got through E1.
E1, right?
Yeah.
That was E1 already.
Well, a handful of guys did their last qualifying runs, and I think E1 for whatever class. I forgot what class just went. Probably like the street class.
Yeah, the street class.
Yeah, that was E1
class
for them, I believe. So I think modified is coming up. So we should pretty fast cars.
It's a beautiful day here,
It is, man. Much better than yesterday.
A lot better than yesterday.
Hopefully the sun comes out a little bit.
Yeah. It should be shining. Should be shining all day.
Looks like no rain in sight, so it should
no,
be a good time, man.
No rain. Negative DA.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man. You better believe it. Should be negative.
Laser George just reset his record. I think he went 680s now.
6.8.
You should see a chunk.
6.8.
There's a chunk about this big this time. Still went 680s.
Seriously?
Still went 680s. They might still have it on the car if you go over there, man. But yeah, it's huge. And
Wow.
he was all swirly, man. He stayed in it, so.
Yeah, he stayed in. He wasn't letting down. He wasn't letting up for that.
This thing is mine, man.
He's crazy, lazy.
Gotta back that pass up.
Yeah, that's it. But I mean, listen, he's gonna take that cup home unless Asier does something or Chep does something. But
did Asier qualify? Because he didn't really make much of a pass.
I don't think he didn't make much of a pass. But
so if he qualifies,
there's only 3 cars in that class. So it's only Asier, George, and Chep.
Okay.
So I mean, he doesn't really have to qualify. He can just run.
Right.
You know, I guess. I mean, I'm sure they'll let him run.
Asier, I think he's the only one who hasn't made a good hit. I mean, I think Shep only made 1 hit that I saw. It wasn't even a full pass. So
no.
George not
what did he
that
go? Chip went 7.8.
Yeah, 7.8 letting off.
But yeah, he let off. It was all over the place with that car. And George is.
Unlimited class is definitely gonna be fun to watch, man. When that car comes, you see everybody crowded trying to get that angle, man.
That's it. Because everybody was been looking forward to that 6-second pass from George.
Yeah.
You know? So that's good, man. So your channel again. Your channel.
Yeah, once again, my channel is Sonic C6. That's SONIC C6. I'm gonna be putting up some content from the event. I already got Laser George's first 6-second pass from yesterday on there, and I'll try to put on a few more videos on throughout the week.
Yeah, so quality stuff.
Yeah,
quality
stuff. You know, I try to bring you that 4K quality, man.
Yes,
only the best.
All right,
so I appreciate you checking me out.
You got it.
Thank you.
Reset. $683, $216. 683 at 216. Another reset for George. Damn, that car is flying. George wins the event. He has the fastest ET of the event, so he's gonna take the cup, he's gonna win the event, and he wins unlimited. So nothing else to talk about. The man wins the day. That's insane.